Aloha and welcome to episode 2 of season 2 of my winter-long stay on Oahu, November 6th, 2025. My name is Beach Monkey. I'm a photographer, surfer, and traveler. During my stay, I want to show you the spots I surfed, ate, and activities I did. So when you come to Oahu, you can plan your own ideal itinerary. And please, don't forget to smash those like and subscribe buttons. On this episode, a morning and sunset surf session in Waikiki, meeting up with old friends, and eating at Paia's fish market. I decided to use my second brand new surfboard, the CJ Nelson Sprout 2.0. It's a 10-foot board built for nose riding and cross stepping, which is something I really want to learn how to do. I had to put on its first coat of wax. There's something very spiritual about putting on a surfboard's first coat of wax. The smell of the wax, the feel of the surfboard. The board's completely smooth before any wax goes on. For the first coat of wax, you do a crisscross pattern. First you do a diagonal line in one direction, and then a diagonal line in the other direction, forming small squares across the board. You then fill in each little square in a circular motion. This ensures the whole board gets a complete coat of wax. For my morning session, I went to Canoes, which is a spot located on Waikiki Beach. The waves were a bit small because the tide was a bit high, but I was really eager to try out my brand new surfboard. The session didn't last too long, but I still had a lot of fun and got some good clean rides. My next session, I met up with some good friends of mine, Sean and Rachael. Sean has an amazing YouTube channel called Live Surf Love. I'll put the link to his YouTube channel in my video description. I met this couple exactly 1 year ago on the beach. They were in town celebrating their first anniversary. This year, they're in town celebrating their second anniversary. They got married in Honolulu 2 years ago. We kept in close contact for a whole year. It's amazing what happens when you just say hi to someone and are kind to random people. Now I've made 2 really good friends. We talked for a few minutes and paddled out at Wakiki Beach at a spot called Canoes. The waves were a bit fatter because the tide was lower. We also met some really cool people out while we're surfing.
fuck the balance. I just have to make music for me. Motherfucking hands, I'm in Gucci in a bonnet, spinning motherfucking bands. I got haters, I got fans, I got stands in the stands. Do they love her or they hate her? Either way, they spinning bands. I could really give a damn, I could really give a fuck. Don't ask you bitches, know what's up. It's no cheap, bitch, it's D.O.E. Don Dada, bitch, you notice me. They like, don't you do the Lulu, you a loose screw. She really giving cunt in a pussy voodoo. She swapped the old nigga for a bitch ain't new. She munching on the vibes while she watching Hulu. Wake up, wake up, put your tits up in my makeup. Face fuck, put your break up. Fake love, fake tough, niggas dicks up, put your sticks up for the motherfucking princess. Rates up, jigs up, put your dicks up, get your dicks up, put your motherfucking sticks up. They suck, that's tough, nigga, pay up, get your rates up for the motherfucking princess. Fuck the formula, fuck the balance. I just have to make music for me.
Can't you see? You're my delight. Lady, I just feel like I won't get you.
Later that night, we went to Paia's fish market, one of my favorite easy places to eat. The fish plates are amazing. I had the mahi-mahi. The fish was so tender and cooked perfectly, and they bring your food out super fast. Sean also had the fish plate, and Rachel ate some quesadillas. There's usually a pretty long line outside. We had to wait about 30 minutes to get in, but they moved people through the restaurant really fast. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and keep checking back for more videos. Aloha.